Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Investment Group and Martin Stock Club. Here are three stocks I'm looking at trading tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, November 29th. Of course, we trade these every single day and more in the Discord. Link is in the description. Join us for our live trading tomorrow. All right, let's get to it. So, what I'm looking at is Shopify first and foremost. So, Shopify had a big pop, a big gap up, a nice run up and retest to test this high here from Wednesday, November 16th. And it rejected it, right? So I think my level that I gave out was holding above this, a break and hold above this previous high. And you see it came up, tapped it, and shot back down, right? So what I'm looking at for tomorrow is if we could take out the low, which was 37.54, we can go ahead and see us move back down to test the 37 and then possibly test the opening level and then move our way through that candle on the close of that gap. All right, so if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that gap a little clearer. And if we take out the low, that would be my trigger to go ahead and just look for a gap fill, preferably, right? Again, another break and then a 5-minute candle close below that level to get a little more confirmation, a little safer entry for that move down. So that's what I'm looking at for Shopify. Swing over here, TNDM. All right, so we got a trend line coming after this drop from earnings. We see the bounces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Big candle that shot up, bullish engulfing after this inside. So inside bullish, inside breakout, bullish engulfing candle, right? 2-1-3 reversal, however you want to call it, bullish, right? Going up, looking for a break of this high to continue to test the next high, which will be 41.98. So about the $42 level will be the target. This high is 41.26. So I'm gonna set an alert for 41.27. And that triggers, let me know. I'm gonna wait for a close above that level on the 5. And then look at taking it on up to retest $42 or so, and then possibly go ahead and retest this high over here, which is about 43.10. All right. After that, could look for it to possibly bounce back down, but that probably won't happen all in one day. So that'll be the next trade that I'm looking at with his. And then Costco. All right, Costco, I think I'm gonna show y'all 4 charts. Show y'all more. I always got more than just the ones that I'm sharing here, but we always trade those in the group. All right, Costco, we have a gravestone doji after this big move up. Willing to bet that on the RSI, that's probably overbought. Yeah, so it just came to being about overbought and starting to flip down on the RSI. All right, so we're seeing the big move up, and now we're seeing the volume start to leak out. Buying power starting to leak out, momentum starting to drop, a little bit of exhaustion. So I'm gonna look at taking the put if we can break below that low, 55.28.94. So I'm gonna say 528, say 528.90. Oh, sorry, 528. Let's do 528. We can break below 528. I'm cool. All right, set that in there. We have a gap below at 523. So that'll be a target, $5 move there. We can get that. And that's what I'll be looking at for Costco. And then a similar story on XLP. All right. Consumer staples. So they move together pretty much the same. Right. It's a nice move up. Gravestone, doji reversal pattern coming in on the candles. And we have an RSI that was overbought, starting to flip back down. All right, we have a nice gap here as well that we can look at filling. And that's at 75.40 just about. We have this low that we could test, 75.66. So we take out the low from today, which is 75.85. So I'll do 75.84. I gave Costco more room because it's a $500 stock. Now I'm looking at us. My main trade is going to be filling the gap. So I might even take, I might take a week on this contract to go ahead and capture that move down. And then, who knows how much deeper we can go down, especially if the whole market starts to pull back some, because we also have this big gap right here that we will be able to anticipate a possible fill. Usually gaps fill about 94% of the time. I think they get filled. They don't always fill, but that's another potential area that we could target on a swing that has a couple of weeks on it. But my main move would be looking to catch that drop down That's my main move I'm looking for tomorrow for a quick day trade. So those are 4 stocks I'm looking at. I know I said 3, but we live trade every day. We have multiple people calling out trades, doing classes in the Discord. Links in the description. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe so that I can feel good when I post these videos for y'all. All right. Peace out. Happy trading, y'all.